How can you avoid ineffective and unproductive application when it comes to two-component insulation adhesives? Well, traditional manifolds have an angled flow path. This causes restriction and clogs. This results in downtime as the crew stands around and waits for those clogs to be cleared. We've helped thousands of roofers effectively apply two-component insulation adhesives. Here's how we do it. The V-Manifold has a straight flow path. This allows your insulation adhesive Part A and Part B to flow directly from your hose to your static mixing tip. This is our Standard V-Manifold with a urethane body and an anodized steel tip. This is our Premium V-Manifold with an aluminum body and two grease fittings. This once again is our Standard V-Manifold with a yolk that combines the two ball valves. And this is our Premium V-Manifold with a yolk. Order your V-Manifold today. Stop the standing around and allow your crew to be productive as they apply their two-component insulation adhesive.